Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. I hope आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. So, students, today we will study general knowledge. आज हम लोग general knowledge पढ़ेंगे. So, all of you take out your GK books. आप लोग अपनी GK books निकाल लीजिए and open page number 15 in your GK books. आप लोग अपनी बुक्स में पेज नंबर 15 खोल लीजिए. So, first of all, write down today's date. Today is 27th 8 2020. Then write down classwork, underline it. So our next chapter is delicious dishes. DELICIOUS, delicious. DISHES, dishes, delicious dishes. Students, what do you mean by delicious? Delicious का क्या मतलब होता है? Delicious means tasty. जो चीज़ खाने में टेस्टी हो, स्वादिष्ट हो, that is called delicious. जो हमें खाने में अच्छी लगे. Dishes means food items. So the food items that are tasty are called delicious dishes, and that is the name of our chapter, delicious dishes. So let's start the chapter. Indian dishes are famous all over the world. Students, there are different types of dishes, different kinds of dishes, like Indian, continental, Chinese. There are various types of dishes. But the Indian dishes means the dishes which are prepared in India. जो इंडिया में dishes बनती हैं, those dishes are famous all over the world. वो पूरे world में famous है. वो people love to eat those Indian dishes. लोगों को वो Indian dishes पसंद आती है खाने में. They love to eat them. So Indian dishes are famous all over the world. They are very famous all over the world. पूरे world में बहुत famous है. People from all over the world love to eat them. People love to eat them, and people love to eat those dishes. All right. So some popular dishes of different states of India are given below. Here we are having different dishes which belong to different states. There are different states, and each state is having a special dish which is speciality of that state. So that dish is known by that state. वो dish उस state के नाम से जानी जाती है. It means that dish is famous on that state. वो उस state में ज़्यादा famous होती है. So there are different states, बहुत सारे states हैं, and there are different dishes which are famous in different states. अलग अलग states में अलग अलग dishes famous हैं. Match them with the correct state, and you have to match them. आपको क्या करना है? उनको match करना है with the correct states. सही जो correct state है means the state from which that dish belong is the correct answer of that dish. So you have to match them with the correct state. Is it clear? So one thing here I want to say that you need not to draw lines. आप लोग को लाइंस ड्रॉ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है फॉर डूइंग मैच द कॉलम। मैच द कॉलम करने के लिए आपको लाइंस ड्रॉ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इट लुक्स वेरी मैसी एंड अनटाइडी। वो बहुत मैसी और अनटाइडी लगता है। यू विल राइट द करेक्ट आंसर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द नेम ऑफ द स्टेट। जो स्टेट्स का नेम है उसके आगे आप करेक्ट आंसर लिखोगे। इज इट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? नो वन इज गोइंग टू राइट, सॉरी, नो वन इज गोइंग टू ड्रॉ लाइन्स। कोई भी लाइन्स ड्रॉ नहीं करेगा। यू ऑल हैव टू write numbers in front of the name of the states given. Is it clear? Number 1 is momos. So from which state the momos belong? momos कौन सा state से belong करता है? Here are different states given to you. राजस्थान, वेस्ट बंगाल, महाराष्ट्र, तमिलनाडु, पंजाब, बिहार, मिजोरम, गुजरात. So you have to match the correct state with the correct answer. Momos is a famous dish of Mizoram. मिज़ोरम का ये famous dish है. So we will write the correct answer, that is number 1 in front of मिज़ोरम. मिज़ोरम के आगे हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? number 1, because momos is famous dish of Mizoram. All right. Our second dish is malpua. It is a type of a sweet dish. एक तरह का क्या है? Sweet dish है. So from which state malpua belongs? Do you know that? It is a famous dish of Bihar. बिहार की ये famous dish है. Alright, so the correct answer will be Bihar. So we will write number 2 in front of Bihar. Students, these dishes are famous in that state, but it does not mean that it is famous only in that state only. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो डिश सिर्फ उसी स्टेट में ही बनती है और उसी स्टेट में ही खाई जाती है. इट इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. वो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड बनती है, ऑल ओवर इंडिया बनती है, बट इट इज़ मोस्ट फेमस ऑन इन दैट स्टेट. वो उस स्टेट में ज़्यादा फेमस होती है. इज़ इट क्लियर टू यू? इट डज़ नॉट मीन कि वो सिर्फ वहीं बनती है. पीपल love to eat them from all over the world. All right. Our next dish is uttapam. Uttapam is a famous dish of which state? Uttapam किस state का famous dish है? It is a type of South Indian dish. ये एक तरह की South Indian dish है. So it is famous in southern part of India. So it will be famous in Tamil Nadu, because Tamil Nadu it is a southern state, एक साउथ का स्टेट है. So it is famous in Tamil Nadu. So our correct answer is Tamil Nadu. So we will write number 3 in front of Tamil Nadu. Is it clear? Because it is a South Indian dish and Tamil Nadu is a southern state of India. It belongs to southern part. South का एक state है. Our next dish is pav bhaji. You all must have eaten this. So from which state it belongs? It is a famous dish of महाराष्ट्र. ये कहाँ की फेमस डिश है? महाराष्ट्र. तो पीपल इन महाराष्ट्र मोस्टली प्रिपेयर पाव भाजी. सो इट इज़ मोर फेमस इन महाराष्ट्र. सो वी विल राइट number 4 in front of Maharashtra. It is prepared all over the India, but it is more famous in Maharashtra. Our next dish is number 5, that is Rasgulla. Rasgulla is a famous dish of which state? It is a Bengali dish. It is a type of a Bengali dish. So it is obvious that it will be famous in Bengal state. So here our Bengal state is West Bengal. So Rasgulla will be famous in West Bengal. कहाँ पे famous होगा? West Bengal में famous होगा because it is a type of a Bengali dish. Bengali dish Bengal में ज़्यादा famous होती है. Alright. So we will write number 5 in front of West Bengal. West Bengal के आगे हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? Number 5. Our next dish is Dhokla. Dhokla is a famous dish of which state? You all must have eaten the dhokla. So it is a type of a Gujarati dish. ये एक तरह की कैसी डिश है? गुजराती डिश है. People in Gujarat mostly prepare ढोकला. वो क्या प्रिपेयर करते हैं? ढोकला प्रिपेयर करते हैं. So it is more famous in गुजरात. वो कहाँ पे ज़्यादा फेमस होगी? गुजरात में ज़्यादा फेमस होगी. So it is the famous dish of Gujarat. So we will write number 6 in front of Gujarat. Is it clear? Our next dish is सरसों का साग. सरसों का साग. It is a Punjabi dish. People of Punjab love to eat मक्के की रोटी, सरसों का साग, लस्सी and all these things is a पंजाबी डिश. ये क्या है? पंजाबी डिश होती है. सो इट इज़ मोर फेमस इन पंजाब. ये पंजाब में ज़्यादा फेमस है. इट इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड ऑल ओवर द इंडिया बट इट इज़ मोर फेमस इन पंजाब. पंजाब में ज़्यादा फेमस है. सो वी विल राइट number 7 in front of Punjab because it is the Punjabi dish. Alright. Our next and the last one is dal bati. This is dal and this is bati. So dal bati is a famous dish of which state? It is a famous dish and mostly prepared in Rajasthan. So we will write the number 8 in front of Rajasthan. Alright. So our correct answer is Rajasthan. So here are the 8 dishes which are very tasty and they are very famous also. So people love to eat them from all over the world. Alright. Number 1 is momos. Momos is more famous in Mizoram. Malpua. It is a type of a sweet dish and it is more famous in Bihar. Uttapam. It is a South Indian dish. It is more famous in Tamil Nadu. पाव भाजी क्या है? एक तरह का महाराष्ट्रियन डिश. महाराष्ट्रियन डिश है. सो इट इज़ अ फेमस डिश ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. Number 5, Rasgulla. It is a Bengali dish, so it is more famous in West Bengal. Dhokla. It is a Gujarati dish, so it is famous in Gujarat. Sarson ka saag. It is a Punjabi dish, so it is famous in Punjab. Dal bati. Dal bati is more famous in Rajasthan. Alright. They are famous in that state, but people love to eat them from all over the world. It is mostly prepared in that state. That's it. But it is more famous in that state. But people love to eat them from all over the world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में people means लोग इसे खाना पसंद करते हैं. Is it clear to you all? Now Froggy speaks. Karan ka saag is a special dish of Kashmir. Karan ka saag, it is a type of special dish which is prepared in Kashmir. It is a type of a saag, Karan ka saag, and it is speciality of which state? कश्मीर। कश्मीर की ये क्या है, फेमस डिश है, स्पेशल डिश है, जो मोस्टली क्या बनेगी, कश्मीर में ही बनती है। बिरयानी इज़ a special dish of Hyderabad. Which is the famous dish of Hyderabad? Biryani. So it is more famous in Hyderabad. People of Hyderabad love to eat biryani, so it is more famous in Hyderabad. Alright. So I hope things are clear to you. आपको चीज़ें समझ में आ गई होंगी. Now you just write down your today's homework. GK. Today is 27th 8/20. Learn page number 15 from your GK book. Alright, so you have to learn page number 15 in your GK book. Page number 15 जो अभी हम लोगों ने किया, that is page number 15. You will complete your work, get it checked by me during your class, and then you will learn it. This is your homework. Alright, I hope चीज़ें समझ में आ गई होंगी. Things are clear to you. Now that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.